All right, the day is here. We are right now moving in the first of our stuff into our new apartment here in Daegu, South Korea. Okay, I hope the camera is fixed on us because we're about to go inside and show you guys this new apartment, okay? Just a reminder, I am in the Army. I am only an E4. I don't have a lot of money to play with, you know, as far as what, you know, a first sergeant would get with his family coming to South Korea. But we're gonna show you guys, without any further ado, our new apartment. Let's go. First thing, it's kind of cool. We have touch button to enter. We're not going to show you guys what the code is. Sierra's going to put it in there, and we're going to take you guys up. All right. Here we go. Really cool. It's got a security system. It's really nice. One thing I really like about Daegu is all of the apartments are really, really nice. I mean, like the doors, just the buildings in general, they take really good care of them, and you know, they just upkeep it really well. It's nice and pretty. This is our place right here. Sierra is going to type into this little what is this, touchpad, and it's going to show us the numbers, and she's going to type her code in. We don't have to use keys here in South Korea, do we? It's pretty nice. So while Sierra's doing that, I'll show you guys this. This here is a camera system so that you can see who's outside your door whenever they're ringing your doorbell. It's pretty cool. Into the apartment, first thing we notice is every single apartment we've been to has some sort of little foyer. This one is actually one of the smaller ones we've seen, and we're okay with that because we're not used to having a foyer anyway. But what we do like is a lot of closet space. Sierra's already started putting stuff in the closets because she's just that eager to be living here. It's really nice. Yep. Sierra, go on in. I'm going to show you guys something really cool that I think every single house has here in Korea, and it's this little button right here. When you leave your house, you can hit this button and all of the lights turn off, right? Well, when you come home, if you want to hit this button, all your lights come on. All right. And here is our humble abode. I'm sorry, I forgot to mention, when you come in a house in South Korea, you kick off those shoes. All right, let's get to it. This house is really cool. It has a camera that sees outside the door so that we know who we're letting in our home and who's knocking on our door before they ever step in our house. Hello? Hey, what's up? You need the code to the door? Okay, I'm just gonna let you in, okay? That simple. Okay, so the last thing we actually want to show you guys is upstairs. We have access to the roof in our apartment, and it's a really sick, a really amazing view. So we want to take you guys there now and to show you that. Alright guys, that's it for now.
Make sure you like this video and give us a thumbs up.
And if you really like it, you can subscribe and check us out at RC Life 365 on Facebook.